Hey everybody, it's Tyler here from Sport Travel. Just giving you guys a little bit of an update of what's happening from our side of the fence. You're not going to want to miss this. Hey everyone, Tyler Childs here, President and CEO of Sport Travel. That's new to some of you, those of you that maybe don't know me. I've recently taken over from Gary Kurgan, who stepped down as President and CEO. We've also moved away from the CSTT brand and into the Sport Travel brand, as maybe you were caught off guard in the initial intro. So that's really some of the big things that have been happening on our side of the fence. The brand change is something we're really excited about. And it's a little bit of a self-explanatory element of our business, whereas the former brand is a little bit confusing as to what we're really about here at Sport Travel. So as you can tell from the new name, we're really passionate about two very important segments: sport and travel, and that's a wide range of elements that are included in that space, all the way from event management, international travel, all the way into accommodations for groups and sporting events. So, we're very, very excited about the changes that are happening over here. We've got a young and exciting team working on some really cool things that some of you might be aware of and some of you might not understand where we're going just yet. So, that's really what we're out to do. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. We're going to be sharing a lot of stuff that we have going on, new opportunities, ways to improve your business, way to improve, your relationship with our company, and how to maximize what we're doing here in the sport travel space. So by all means, reach out, connect with us, find out what's happening. But if you just want to hear through the videos that we're working on, make sure you subscribe below. If you don't do that, you're not going to get updated on the things that are happening here. New RFPs coming, new events, those sort of things that, might be tough if it's not necessarily in your market, but hey, maybe the next step could be. So by all means, check in with our team regularly and be sure to follow what we're going to be putting out here over the next little bit. So to summarize, the new brand Sport Travel is really after one important thing that's been the core of our company since its birth. The business we got into was always about growth of youth and amateur sport. And as this business becomes more corporate, we're passionate about staying true to what this industry was really meant to be. And that was to provide revenue to an organization in return for running an event that's bringing economic impact and hotel revenue to each market that it operates in. We are so passionate about staying true to that direction. And, it's a trajectory that we've been on since 1997. So, we're very, very passionate about that and supporting the community. Through that, we've developed kind of our mantra, if you will, which is to unite the world through sport. And it's everything that sport was meant to be. And you'll see some new information coming out from us as to why, we changed our logo, where this kind of mission came from, and really what we're about here at Sport Travel. For those of you that don't know us, we stand by what we put out, and our product, is targeted in supporting all three of the major stakeholders that we partner with. And you'll learn a little bit about that along the way, but these are the things that maybe we've done a poor job of in the past communicating. So new brand, new mantra, we're really excited about it. We've got a great team that I'm working with here, and we couldn't be more excited about the direction. So stay tuned for a lot more from Sport Travel, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll catch you next time. Make sure you keep that stick on the ice.